Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install RAR and zip packing or unpacking app on your Xiaomi Redmi 10A. So we're gonna start with a Google Play Store, open the store, now move on to the search pool and enter RAR, that's RAR, hit the search button, now select this app and download it. After installation process is complete, you should be able to open it. From here, grant all files access to the app. Go back. Dismiss the notification, and from here the app's ready. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave a like and a comment below.